Okay. Okay, well, good afternoon. Good afternoon, I'm Crimson. Welcome back. Welcome back to another uh day of Gray Zone Warfare, that's right. So let me find a place that's in the morning. Well, it has daylight. We'll check who was first. Noon, midday. We can do that. Why not? Okay. Now I'm very excited to show you guys this. Very excited to show you guys this because I did a couple of loot runs off camera. Hold on, mate. Okay, I did a couple of runs. I'm lagging. Oh my goodness. I'll wait until it loads. My hair's just crazy right now, man. But yeah, so I did a couple of runs off camera, and check out the weapon, baby. Now it's still the AKMN. AKM. It's AKMN, right? Yeah, yeah. So I still got that back end, that back stock. It's got the pistol grip I had earlier, right on the last video. But I did get one of the firearms boxes had a shotgun. They had a Picatinny rail with the scope I'm using, so we managed to grab the scope. I've managed to find the AK just handguard, and of course, we put uh one of the little RKO uh grips on it. So yeah, this thing's a beast now. This thing's a freaking beast. How exciting! I think there's only a couple other things I might want to put on this thing, which would be maybe a laser sight. I think would be kind of cool to have on it. I think it would be kind of cool to have on it. But in terms of, I've managed to. Oh, I can put this on here already? Hold on. Oh, the right. Oh, that's sick. Okay. I thought I was gonna have to wait until they get the little Picatinny rail for the front, like the little barrel Picatinny that they have. And then I'd be able to slap it on there. But no, we can put that on already. Okay, uh, that's excellent. 30 millimeter ring will go on the rail. That would allow me to put, I think, like scopes on it, right? So something maybe like the voodoo scope. Would I be able to put that on if I put that on there? I think I might be a little overestimating a little. Okay, but let's take off. Two on. Okay, which will enable me to put a scope on. Oh my god. Boy, oh boy, I've already got. Man, hey, excellent. Wow. So yeah, dude, this is a fun thing about gun crafting, man, and I love doing it. I love gun crafting. It's super fun. We're just gonna tighten things up a little here. Okay. Nice. Well, yeah. AKMN that I managed to find in a firearms case, and then the everything I got on it I found in a firearms case, just in the starter town. I think the only thing maybe I did find these firearms case too. I don't remember if that's how I got these scopes, but check it out, boys. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, very nice. My goodness. Ooh, that is clean. All I need now is a suppressor and we're good, huh? That's awesome. That's excellent. What a nice look. Turn on the laser. I can't see the laser. There it is. That's so cool. That's so cool. Okay. Right now it's at a 1 point magnification. I might make it 2.5. 5 magnification. I have a lot of difficulty because in order for me to do that, I have to push my scroll wheel. I have to push it down at the same time I push my. At the same time. It has to be done at the same time. So sometimes it takes me a couple of Takes me a couple of seconds. It's not flawless, as you can see. It's a bit of a struggle. Anyways, we got a very fun little weapon here. So, next task. Our next task today, we have Lost and Found in Little Bird Down. So I need to find an individual, and then this one is we gotta check out a missing bird. Now I know where this is. I know where both these are, but I think for a little bird we're gonna fly it out. We're gonna fly out to kind of minimize conflict a little bit. I think is what we're gonna do. So we'll do this mission. We'll do this mission. We'll do the Little Bird Down mission. So so okay, listen up. This is a big one. One of our choppers went down nearby, and we need to assess the situation. I'll be straight with you. There's valuable cargo on board, a metal container, and we have to secure it. According to our intel, the helo went down southeast of the gas station. Your mission is to determine if there are any survivors from the crash. Check the wreckage thoroughly and provide a detailed report. If there are any injured personnel, aid them, call for immediate extraction. But remember, your primary objective is to retrieve that container. It goes without saying, but discretion is... We don't want any unnecessary attention on this one. Oh, one more thing. Whatever you do, do not open it. Just bring it back here, and we'll take care of the rest. Got it. Got it. Locate the crash helicopter southeast of the gas station and your findings. Doesn't want me to open it, doesn't want me to do anything with it. We'll get a nice little M4A1 for completing it, which I'll probably just sell. M4A1s I can just sell. We don't necessarily need to keep those. That's just a little extra money. So let's do it. Accept task. Now then, 145159. It actually shows me coordinates, but I already kind of remember where this is. It's down here in this area here. 14559. Yeah, it's literally, I think it's like right here. So our objective is we're gonna land down at Charlie 2. We're gonna fly down to Charlie 2. I'm just looking at the map. I'm looking at the map. So we'll hit the little farmhouse here. Hit this. And then it's gonna want to look for the survivors and stuff like that, and it's gonna take me up to this house here. That's what we'll do.
Raven dispatched. Moving to base camp.
Boy oh boy, huh? We are,
Here, I'm moving out. ETA 30 seconds.
doing pretty good, guys. I think we're doing pretty good. Got myself a scoped weapon finally, huh? In those close quarters engagements, we can switch. I'll put this at default 2.5.
Raven wheels down and ready to load.
Bum, 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 bum. 1 round in the chamber, 9 rounds in the magazine. On single fire mode with 100-meter zeroing. Wow,
We're getting close. 30
my
seconds.
recording is not good. Bit of a struggle. Holy cow. Well, I mean, I guess that's fine. I guess it's okay. I just need to get a better computer, I guess. I can't. It's a shame I can't do like smooth recordings with this game.
Move out!
How disappointing. Okay. So, as mentioned before, we're gonna head to that location. Start off by hitting this. And we'll make our way over there. Oh, should we stop by that? There's no armed guards. It's got an equipment case. I don't know if I need it. I don't know if I need it. We're doing pretty good, and this is probably going to be my first one where it's mainly just going to be the mission with a little bit of fighting. Just because of how easy the mission is, because it largely avoids most conflict areas. Just a couple people at this farmhouse. I think 3 people at this farmhouse, because you got one that kind of walks the little fields, and then 2 at the farmhouse. I'll probably avoid the bridge guy. Okay. So this is actually more dangerous for me than just going into town, because I don't know specifically where the dude's gonna be walking. Sometimes they're over here, sometimes they're over here. I'll have to keep an eye out. I'll have to keep an eye out for that. And it looks clear so far. Am I really only at 5 rounds? 9 rounds? Shit. It's actually a reload. I didn't think about it at the time. Thinking about it now. Shit. Oh, I missed. With such a nice scope, too. Like I said, there's normally about 3 of them. Take the money. Take the ammo. I hear them. The inside the building? Shit. Oh gosh, he got me. Oh, that's bad. I don't have a surgery kit. Okay, well that didn't quite go to plan. We're got some internal injuries I can't repair, unfortunately. So for some reason, I didn't actually check my inventory before leaving. I didn't properly flesh everything out. I really kind of messed up. Kind of messed up, man. I kind of messed. Got too excited to go do this mission, I guess, huh? Wow. Okay. So small problem with that. I think my guy just has a coughing problem. He The blurry vision should go away. Should go away. And I can't believe that. I can't believe how I didn't see him. That's friendlies. Yeah. Okay. I just had to check. Okay, so the vision's back to normal. We regained our blood loss. It's just that coughing. I can't fix the coughing. Sadly, my guy's injury too, his heavy breathing. That's gonna kind of stay also. I didn't bring a surgery kit. We're not gonna be able to repair those issues. There's the helicopter. We got the LZ. My goodness, I didn't even come out here to grab the LZ. Port findings. Okay. I'm at the crash site. The pilot is KIA. The rest must have managed to get away. No visual on the cargo. Shit. Okay. They likely didn't get far. Check any nearby buildings they might have used for shelter. Let's just hope they're still there and that the container is with them. Okay. Well, fortunately, there's a trail here you can follow. Ammo. Good. Like how the colors drastically just changed. I didn't kill him. I'm getting frame skips. I'm getting really bad frame skips. Hold on. Okay, this is the... He fucks me up again. I'm out of bandages too. Bro, I didn't prepare for this at all. I might die just because of lack of like medical equipment. And I think I have shortness of breath, so I can't hold my breath right now. Where is he? 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 I don't need any more problems. We can't open it from the outside? No. Well, that headshot didn't kill him. I think okay, that was 4 people, right? So this should be 100% clear. Should be. Should be 100% clear. I'm out of tourniquets, I'm out of bandages, I'm out of my surgical kit. I really messed up, man. Hey, listen, failure to prep is prepping to fail, and my goodness, I'm prepping to fail right now. Hoping to find a black magazine to replace the red one with. Also hoping to find maybe some billion gauze up in this. I'll eat this. I think this satisfies both my hunger and my energy, so this real quick. Not my hunger, my energy, my thirst. My thirst and my energy. Please have some basic medical supplies in here. Pistol. Oh, fine. Poor findings. Task complete. Okay, I've located the rest of the crew. Both KIA. There's evidence of a prolonged firefight. No sign of the cargo. Uh-oh. Whoever got them must have taken it. Damn it. This is a fucking nightmare. There's nothing more you can do right now. We'll have to think this. Okay. So with that, the task is completed. We'll hit complete, and then I'll claim the items back at base. So let's complete so I can read the summary. This turn of events is deeply concerning. It's clear that someone knew about the crash or caused it themselves and acted swiftly to eliminate any witnesses disappear with the cargo. We can't rule out the possibility of other PMCs interfering with our operations, but so far, we're in the dark. I need your unwavering commitment and utmost discretion. We're entering uncharted territory, and I'll be relying on your skills to uncover the truth and help us regain control of the situation. Be prepared for further instructions. Excellent stuff. So, the reward should be in the mail. We'll head back to base, and then that's the end of this video. This one's a pretty quick one, huh? Not a lot of looting, and everything that could have gone wrong went wrong. So I'm not complaining. Darn, nothing in that civilian case. Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna head out of here. I think to make things interesting, we'll hit Charlie 1. That way I can hit this. Stop it. We'll hit this. Hit this, hit this, hit this, and then we'll make our way up Charlie. Actually, I can just do the whole loot run this way. Let's do that, because there's a criminal hangout here. It's got some boxes, lots of nice stuff in this area. These two buildings here have a lot of metal boxes, and then we can hit the this spot here, criminal space also. I don't know if this is these are called. I think this is a criminal hideout, and then this is a criminal something. So yeah, we'll hit the gas station for the medical stuff, medical supplies, because I do need medical supplies. I'm a little low. So never mind, this video is gonna be a little longer. I gotta do some loots, man. We gotta do some on each run. I just need to get back to safety, huh? This is like the safe side to enter. Look at that. I got a whole wall and everything. The other side is way more dangerous because there's like a fence, so everybody in the gas station can just kind of like see you. Oh, did I speak too soon? Yeah, I don't think. Oh, I got no friendlies in the area. I think they were shooting at me. Game's frozen. Okay, we're good. Game freezing. Okay, hold on. I ignore her, guys. But now there's a guy over there. Where's my ammo? 22. Okay. I I don't think we'll get lucky with the surgical kit in here. I'll be honest. That'd be kind of nice. But 170 cash. Medical kit's in here. What we got? A hard case carrying kit with a tourniquet and gauze. Got both up. Nice. It's not gonna stop my heavy breathing, unfortunately. I do need to get a surgical kit. But I do know I did have a okay. Nothing on the body. Someone's got red mags today, man. That sucks. Okay. Oh, nice, a ring. Put that in there, so if I die, at least I can sell that, huh? Well, now that we're here, there's a criminal activity spot just this way. We're gonna hit this. A little criminal, a criminal location. Okay, this guy has black mag. Let's go. We can unload. Oh. US 762. What the hell? Bro, that's like kind of nice. Some blackout? Oh man, dude. Once again, you're gonna have to bear with me with the heavy breathing. My guy's shortness of breath is not something I can fix right now. Okay, I need to see if this guy's got keys. We're looting our way back to safety by walking into danger. I should be good, I don't think. But we're gonna grab this because I do want to do some SKS stuff. And you take a shot to the face and you're like, oh man, my nose. I heard somebody. Okay, he's behind the fence. I'm not gonna worry about this dude up here, I think. The looter in me is having a schizophrenic moment though because of it. But I just can't, the risk is a little high while there's a person still actively patrolling for me. My back is too unknown. I'm such a fucking loot goblin. Behind me. Okay, so this is a criminal spot. We're gonna move really slow right now. He doesn't see me. He doesn't see me. Oh, please, get distance from the tree. Up, move up, move up. Are we on the second floor of this building? There's a guy? I don't see him. He's right there. Hey. Bro's invincible. But I need to handle just a couple more people. He's gotta bleed out, right? Like, I shot the dude 3 fucking times. I mean, the dude literally doesn't have fucking the pelvis anymore. That's him dead, right? He's dead. He's 100% dead. He's ragdolling. Okay, I think there's one more person, but this is the room we need to get into, so we're gonna just fucking close it. And then pray to Jeebus nobody actually comes in, cause problems. That's kind of nice. Nice little finds. Put an equipment box, let's see. I'm curious just to see what they'll give me. I mean, once again, nothing I really am interested in. Oh, my armor's, like, bad. He fucks me up good, man. Fucks me up good. 765 Browning, that goes to the Full Metal Jacket, 76 US 762. That's nice. I can actually just put that there. For the FMJs, it's better than the soft points. So I'll take them. It basically just upgrades my ammo, man. So a little more lethal. Very nice. Beyond that, I don't see anything else. Because again, we're gonna have to deal with my guy's breathing. I can't fix it. He needs surgery, and I just can't provide surgery. Okay. Well, now from here, we can hit the little hilltop villas. Ooh, let me check my keys. I do have the town hall key. Do have the town hall key. So we're absolutely 100% hitting that town hall. We'll drink the water. .762, don't care about the Type 50 on ammo. We should have cleared everybody that was out here. That. Nothing. Nothing. Dude, did someone loot these already? There's normally some pretty decent stuff on these bodies, but there's not a single damn thing. Okay, so next up is gonna be this town hall spot. Keep an eye out for anyone back. Normally there's sometimes one guy back here. And then second floor. Buddy. Oh, I got a feeling someone's been here already, man. I don't think it's gonna be looted. I think it's been looted. How are you actually not dead? I gotta reload. I hear the guy on the stairs. Let's try first. Okay, it's locked. That's a good sign. It's already been looted. I fucking knew it. Disappointed. I might want to actually eat tofu. Get inside real quick. walks by and shoots. My goal is to get out of here. I just want to get out of here now.
เชื่อว่าไม่เป็นเพี้ยนการเข้าใจผิดกัน
Okay. Okay. So, a bit of a failed hit. I guess that there another player had already hit it. So, I wasn't able to successfully get any value out of that run. Town Hall. But fortunately, nobody hits these buildings. These buildings have two metal cases each. Both are generally just brimming full of jewelry and money and all sorts of fantastic items. We'll hit this. Hopefully somebody didn't hit it, man. It's a bit disappointing that happened. My first stop was a dead failure. But here's the first one. Nice, modern watch and a necklace. Okay, so we aren't walking away empty-handed, man. We're not walking away empty-handed, at least. And then the civilian chest, sometimes gonna have some nice stuff. Okay, we got lucky on this one. Nice. Wayfarer glasses. Third floor. I'm just thirsty. I'm not too hungry. We're almost out of here, though. Briefcase. Can have some nice stuff. Not then this time. Look at this brimming full, man. Brimming full of loot. Baby. Baby. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. So this wasn't hit. They hit the town hall, but they didn't hit the, like, really easy to loot stuff. Thank goodness, huh? So we're not totally missing out on a nice little piece here. We're gonna hit the other house, and then we'll hit the criminal, I'm checking to see if there's a dude up there. Sorry, I get distracted pretty easily. Okay, so up here's the metal box on top of the microwave on the first. Look at that, man. Hell yeah, G-ring, common credit card, necklace. Maybe make sure there's like not a person. Nothing. Well, you can't just. Well, you can't. You know, you're not lucky every hit. You know. 1911. I'll grab it because we're at the end of our little run. Metal box, brimming full, baby. Common credit card. Okay. So the only thing I'd want from the criminal spot, criminal stronghold, I think is what it is. It's something like that. I don't particularly remember anymore. Is it's got a firearms case. It does have an equipment case too. Maybe I could get a repair kit to repair the Mach 2. Because it is a little damaged. I'll be honest, a little damaged. Let me just make sure my ammo's good. 27, because it's a dead dangerous spot. Criminal hideout. What's the other one called then? There's gonna be one on the second floor. Okay. We're good. Close the door, make sure they can't get me. We'll check the equipment case first. If it's got a repair kit, maybe this is. Yeah, a gear repair kit. We'll put that on quick. Repair you. Correct. And it repaired it, not to a great extent, I'll be honest, but and it still has use. How disappointing, huh? I'll keep it with me to sell. It doesn't sell for much. It's kind of useless in terms of like financial gain. Nice, another red dot sight. Pistol. Check the firearms box. See if we get something nice out of it. An M90 tri-rail. That's for shotguns. I don't necessarily shotguns. Actually, let me just make sure. Yeah, shotgun. Okay. MT optical mount. Is this for shotguns also? Cocaine mounting optic on the 12 gauge Mossberg. Yeah. Okay. Trying to push shotguns on me, I guess, man. Oh, that a ballin could actually be kind of nice right now. Thought my guy's heavy breathing for you know a little bit. Some sweet relief of that noise. My goodness. Okay. I did got some ibuprofen. The happy camper now, no pain. So I know there's an AKM that's out here. Oh, where are you? SKS? Moves into Gaunt? So I want to keep the SKS. If it was an SKS, I would have 100% taken it. Man, that's kind of nice too, but I got no space for that. I got a better backpack than the assault backpack, so we'll just ignore. There's an ammo box in here too, right? Okay. All right, let's get to safety. Let's end the video. Get out of here. Before my guy's injuries start taking over and he starts breathing heavy in my ear again. You got some decent loot? We're walking out with a ton of money on this one, guys. Walking out with a ton of money on this one. And an SKS that I get to kind of play with too. Whew. The shortness of breath one kind of sucks because I can't hold my breath to aim, so it just kind of sways. Okay, so we are close enough. I'll start calling it. Get us out of here, baby. Fucking man, crazy. This is almost like this place is insanely safe. The only thing I could think of that could kill me waiting for this LZ if there was like a player sitting up here waiting for a person, you know. A little bit of concealment, I guess, but we don't need to do too much. Not for this place. I can send to open these.
Landing, get in, go!
Get on. Woo!
Strap in, we're heading out.
Oh, let's go, baby. Nice little haul, huh? We got a nice little haul. I'm curious to see how much money we'll have actually made from it.
Get ready. 30
I am curious. So they're doing a hotfix update, and supposedly it's gonna make the game run a bit more better optimized. I think it does something with the VRAM. I think is what they mentioned with it. I gotta test out their little experimental server and see how the game runs compared to that. Because yeah, as you guys can tell, my my laptop struggles struggles with this game. But it's fun, man. I really do enjoy this game. It's slow pace. It's simple enough. It's just the PvP is pretty brutal. Sup, boy? Okay. So, let's unload everything, shall we? This is a Mosin, right? Yeah, it's a Mosin. Not an SKS. Shoot everything over by one. If I can fit the SKS in there. Oh no. My dude's hurt again. Use the ballin. Use it. We've got a ton of stuff for selling on this run. Look at this. Very nice. Very nice. Basic tracker, bunch of PK. Let's go. 1911. Necklace. Watch. Couple of gold rings. Necklaces. I would say, dude, my inventory is cooked. My medical supplies, all cooked. The hard case kit, we are gonna get rid of. I don't know what the benefit is over like MFAX. I don't think there is a benefit over that, unless there's like a weight. Is there a weight? 0.46 kilograms, 0.3 kilograms. Okay, so there is a weight issue there. It can slow me down. We check out the QR kit. 0.83. Interesting, but this thing we're keeping 100%. You know? But if I wanted to like min-max my weight, I guess the hard case kit is better than the MFAC. Because it weighs less. 0.05. 0.01. Yeah. So here, we'll put the MFAC back in my inventory. I'm gonna min-max, I guess, man. We're gonna do some min-maxing. That in the wallet. That's all of the stuff I'm selling, I believe. Stuff I'm selling. Vendor. There is one thing I do want to see. So since I'm back here, if I were to repair you. Oh, hold on. I wanted. Oh, I can't. Oh, this is the highest it can go. Oh man. The Mach 2 armor is a little done, huh? Kind of sucks. I mean, it survived a good number of runs. So I guess I'm not surprised. It's definitely made a good amount to cover its cost. That's for sure. I sell everything at Lavrat because she's the one I kind of want to pump up. So 1,400, just that. 1,400. I didn't see how much that actually was. I kind of fucked up on that one. 1,400, 263? Oh, 93. So about 300 bucks. And then the 107 for that. 1,700. Not too bad, man. On the bright side, look at that. We've already got a maxed out stack of 50k, and we're up to 3 grand on another one. So we're saving a good chunk of money, guys. Saving a good chunk of money. That's excellent. Let's claim this, which gets me another decent amount of money. We can, of course, sell you. Pop up real quick. 4,730. So nice, man. Doing great. We're doing excellent. We're doing excellent in terms of our financial status. I did get an SKS I can do some gunsmithing on. That's going to be kind of fun. I did get a SKS adapter. kind of why I wanted to do that, right? So now I can put a suppressor on the front if I ever find one. It's gonna be kind of fun playing with this gun. It'll be kind of fun playing with this gun. But yeah, I think that's it, guys. We did the mission. We got back to safety. I need to kind of do a little bit of inventory management with my medical supplies. But all in all, we did it. Nice, easy. Couple of mishaps, a bit of a struggle, but hey, we did it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. That was the mission, Little Bird Down. And well, see you guys next time. Okay. Peace. 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 Peace.